So the federal government of Nigeria, under the leadership of Bola Ahmed Tinubu, a Yoruba man, will sit down or to negotiate a peace talk with the bandit people wey don buy many people wey don even buy police generals and so many other government workers. And Tinubu government, Nigeria government will sit down with the bandits, then denying Mazi Nnamdi Kanu access just to see a doctor. What is the offense of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu that he said that, hey, we want our freedom from this terrorist country you people are running? Yes, this is in crime. And today, they say the highest bandit, the number one, Oga Kwata, we don't buy police people, we don't buy 30 people, we don't buy many people. The government are dialoguing and negotiating with them. This is the country where we find ourselves. I want you to see these videos from well-meaning Nigerians where the thing they pay for body. Watch their videos, waiting they talk for the matter before we will come back, continue. But let me show you one also video after this video. Do you know that in Imo State today, a place called Omaka, there is a genocide going on over there? When the military are going people's house, destroying mansions, destroying buildings for no reason. Why the people they are looking for is in another community boundary. They can't even go there to face them, and they are tormenting innocent people, adopting Igbo youth. Some of you will come on social media, Ndi Igbo, Ndi Okuche, Ndi Brain. The people who know better than others will start talking nonsense. While the genocide is going on in this part of the world, in this part of the country. Let me show you, I will show you the videos. Just stay tuned to the end of this video.
Nigerians, so no be news again, say bandits they get peace deal for Katsina State. No be news again. You don't understand? No be news again, because the pictures they fly everywhere. The pictures have been flying since morning. You understand? But I want to bring our attention to some notable faces here. Make I start with this person. Remember this guy? I don't first do video about this guy. His name is Babaro. This guy here kidnapped a military general. Tiga. Now he kidnapped Tiga. This guy here was responsible for the 32 souls that were lost in Mantau. He attacked a worship center in Mantau. This same Babaro, the murdered 32 souls there, he's today among the people having a peace deal with the people of Katsina. Not just that, to this same Babaro don't murder militaries. Like, I can't count them. This guy here don't murder militaries. This person is supposed to be with the creator for long. But the same Babaro today is among people, the bandits that came to have peace deal in Katsina State. To show you where Nigeria is going. No one that Nnamdi Kanu call Nigeria a zoo. Nigeria is truly a zoo. Nigeria is truly a zoo. See him. Now, also remember that this guy was arrested. They arrested him. They catch him. You know, they let him to go. They allowed him to go. Somebody that kidnapped a general, unalived 32 people, 32 souls, he buy them. They still allow him to go. And till today, instead they do that in banditry, they go. So to tell you that these people are politically protected, now government, they protect them. These guys are sponsored by the Nigeria government, they protect these people. They are protected by the government. They are. Somebody will be murderer. We don't suppose with the creator for long. See him today among the people of Katsina State. In fact, they put canopy for his head. Make sure no beat him. While Nigerians, they outside. Now him as a VIP, they give him VIP treatment. They put canopy for his head. Nigerians, they outside. Then they get the peace meeting to tell you that banditry is now a business in the north. And not just a business in the north, now political business. So guys, get your 22. Get your 22. Since the government cannot send them to God, let us send them to God. Make we send them to God. Nigerians, the federal government of Nigeria is the federal government of bandits. So, you know the story. I can't live here without telling the federal government of bandits to forsake.
Nigerians, our own don't finish. Yes, if you understand Hausa, I better make you interpret them for the comment section. I will play on this video, make una watch. This one are for Katsina, where they go, they have a peaceful negotiation meeting. But for the benefit of those who don't understand Hausa, let me just give you a brief hint of waiting him they talk for this video. According to him, he say anytime where we say him own language people, that is the Fulani people, do something, they will come bring down to social media. They put them all around, start say, see waiting they do. Whereas waiting they happen to them, nobody they talk about them. If now remember, then 5 people from Manumfashi during that time on Friday for inside Mosque. He said that one now people come carry and put for social media. The one where happen for Faskari, where we say their own people, where they carry them come out from inside Mosque, where they slaughter them. He said nobody talk about that thing. He say as he stands like this, so he know they fear anybody. This life where we did now one. If you like it or you know like him, say you go buy. Say if there is anything where they go feed do, where go make him to fear, say make you no buy. He say that thing are rubbish. Say you no go fear ever fear. Say as he stands like this, make them they do equal this thing, equal criticism. If then they criticize them, may they also they criticize the people who say they do them wrong. You understand? May they know they do selective criticism. He said, may one person come outside talk say in own language, thief no day inside. Say all these ones where they do where they paint them black. Not be smart, you know. In talk for inside, when they quote some Quran verse where they make some references. Make una watch the video. For those who understand Hausa, make una interpret for the comment section. Watch the video.
Hausa da kuke mana magana cewar yan ta'adda ne barayi ne ba barayin a cikin ku akwai su tari sannan ba a dauki kabilanci aka samu ku ba mu sai aka dauki kabilanci aka samu ko ba gaskiya ba to in ko ba a bar wannan hudodin ba na kashe da kabilancin da ake dora mana to babu ranar da wannan abun zai kai karshe tsakani da Allah dole sai an koma an dauki hanya ta gaskiya an yi ma kowa adalci kai shugaba kai adalci kai kuma na ƙasa kai biyayya don babu yadda za a yi kai shugaba ai ma biyayya ba kai ma na ƙasa da kai adalci ba babu bayyo kai kuma na ƙasa bayyo ai ma adalci ba kai biyayya ba ko ba gaskiya ba sannan ina da wani misali ko kuma wata tambaya akan irin abin da mu in muka yi za a yada shi a duniya mu wanda aka yi mana ba za a yada shi a duniya ba ina ga kwana-kwanan nan duk mai hawa social media ya ga wata matsalar da ta faru a yankin malumfashi ne ana cewa an kai hari an kashe mutane a cikin masallaci to haka ne ba haka bane Allah kaɗai ya sani amma ni ma ina da tawa tambaya a nan makamancin wancan wanda aka yi a Faskari kuma aka yi shi ina ga kowa san Kadisau kuma a Faskari take akwai wata ranar Juma'a yan uwanmu Fulani a cikin masallaci aka kamo su kamar kaji ɗaya bayan ɗaya aka yanka su mutum 5 kuma an yi zana'idar su a kamfanin Dauda ina ga kila ba mamaki akwai mutanen garin anan tun kahin su girbi abin da suka shuka kenan amma da aka je aka yi musu aka kama yadawa an yi kaza aka riya abin da su suka yi to kaga irin wa'annan abubuwan duk akwai su in muka yi ta zakulo su wallahi suna da yawa ko ba gaskiya ba an yi mana mun rama Allah ce kamatu dinu tudan yadda kai za a yi maka to haka da ka kashe man zan kashe ma ko ba gaskiya ba ran nan ɗaya ne in ka rasa shikenan in na rasa shikenan ranka bai hinau ba ran babanka bai hina babana ba.
My people, una don see am. Now I want to show you this video. This is what the Nigerian military, the Nigerian army, police, John Ford, DSS, all of them are doing in this village. Innocent people that know nothing about what is going on in that place. This is what they are doing to their residents. Watch this video.
Ulo ọma fọdụ mata lekwe ndị ezu lekwe ha mere ụlọ mmanụ lekwe ha mere ụlọ mmanụ ha mere ụlọ mmanụ ndị ara ha mere ụlọ mmanụ ya pịa ụlọ mmanụ pịaja ụlọ mmanụ na mpịaja ụlọ mmanụ na mpịaja ụlọ ọma rịa ka ebe lekwe ihe ndị mere ụlọ mmanụ lekwe eda ha mere ụlọ mmanụ la kwacha hem lu lum la kwa hem lu lum da hem lu lum ro.
In Southeast, they will bring their armies to buy innocent youth, to vandalize and to burn down people's houses. But in the North, they sit down and negotiate with the bandits. In the West, they are vandalizing their house, but because of their hypocrisy, they will not stand for the truth for others. They keep spreading the fire in order way to destroy other people's home. Yoruba will pay for this thing they are doing, because tell me, how can a Yoruba man be a president and all these things is still going on? It shows that the Yorubas are fully supportive of this evil that is happening in Nigeria today. You don't want the Biafra, you don't want the freedom of the Igbos, you keep killing them, you are sending army because you are in the government. Let me tell you, one day, monkey go market, but you no go return. Either the butcher man catch am or the people catch am, use and do pepper soup and meat. This is what will happen to Nigeria. Let this evil keep going on. Keep holding Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, but a day will come. You see these useless Igbos, that some useless Igbo that don't have brain, that forgot that this fight is a fight of no return. They will realize themselves. Everybody will stand up and say enough is enough. It will happen. It will touch everybody before this thing will happen. More, share this video.